Hey everybody, Barry here again. I realized today that I haven't actually posted any caravan stuff in a little bit. I'm working on projects leading up to the caravan, like building the transmission, building the engine, doing wiring harnesses, a couple projects to keep a little bit of money going so I can actually do this stuff. So let's go check out the van because it's pretty much why I'm here. So here it is, out here in its resting place for a little bit. I got a little bit of work to do on it, including with the rear suspension. So what I got to do with it is fix the panhard rod because I broke that when I was in a burnout competition. I think I hooked into like a crack or something like that, or a piece of concrete that was sticking up and broke the panhard rod, which has happened before. It's not serious. So big update is obviously this thing is coming out because the manual transmission is just not working out the way I hoped it would. It shifts awful. It's like 2 seconds between gears because the transmission is just worn out. Also, this clutch setup, while it's kind of cool and it actually works, like it does work, but it's wicked stiff. The original clutch pedal for this master cylinder was like 18 inches long. This one's about 8, so I'm losing a lot of mechanical advantage there. So standard's coming out, 4L80 is going in. Let's get under here. And here is the engine bay at the moment. I've only just got it all laid in place so I could drive it from right here to right here. So obviously it's all still rough, but I do have this harness completely done for the 4L80. You can see transmission plugins here. The PCM is laid down here. Here's the big dirty muffler. That's a 70mm off of a Cat 3406. So I am going to do a full exhaust down through here, out the side. I got a couple of chrome tips that a buddy gave me. And basically I want to clean this up here. The engine is up next. That's a 6-liter, and I'll go in and show you that one. Okay, we're back inside. Here is the engine. This is a Gen 4 or Gen 3 late, whatever, with Gen 4 internals, 6-liter. It is not painted because this is what happened to the last engine that I painted after it put 3 rods out to the block. So paint's bad luck. It's got nothing to do with my tuning or the turbo or 15 pounds boost. Nothing of that. Nope. Paint's the trouble. I painted it plumb crazy. Anyway, so this is a 6-liter, untouched, unopened. I didn't touch the ring gap. Probably a bad luck omen, but whatever. Here's the transmission. This here is a 2008 4L80E that I'm currently in the middle of rebuilding. All this center here is out of this transmission, which is an 05 4L80, which was 4-wheel drive, which is also obliterated. I had the bell housing welded, as you can see, because it cracked across the top. Common stuff for the 80s. I have literally no idea what I'm doing with transmissions. I've watched like 4 different people's videos on it to try to figure out what I'm doing. And I basically just took it apart, hauled the guts out of that one, sticking it in here, and here are some leftover parts. I still have to put together the oil pump and put the valve body on it, that kind of thing. I've still got some work to do with this transmission, but it should be done in the next couple of days. And at time of upload of this video, everything is current. Lately, I've been uploading my videos every 3 days just so I can have a chance to actually film, edit, upload, and I got a couple backed up now, so I'm actually doing good with time right now, which I'm not always. But I should have this one done in a couple of days, this transmission, and as soon as it is done, I'm putting it in the van. I've got to modify the transmission crossmember / mount because the 4L80 is quite a bit longer than the NV3500, and then get it moving, do the tuning, get the 3-bar speed density all set up again for the 6-liter. I got a lot of tuning to do because we're going from a manual transmission to an automatic. Before, it was a non-electric, obviously, so I didn't have any transmission input at all from a PCM. So I've got to tune all that, get my gear ratios and tire size, everything all straightened out because the 4L80 obviously has different gear ratios than the 4L60 that was in the base tune. It's a lot. I got a lot of work to do. But yeah, so I just wanted to do a quick update on this thing because, you know, it's been left out there in the back and nobody's been seeing it. I haven't been doing any filming on it, mostly just bits and pieces leading up to this. So hopefully in the next week or so, 2 weeks, we'll start seeing some more Caravan stuff. I'll have it here on the ramp after this Jeep is moved and start dissecting it again. And I cannot wait because I love working on that thing. It's rust free. We're in Newfoundland where the roads are salted like 6 months out of the year, so everything here is obliterated. And it has no rust on it. It's so nice. So I'm going to leave you with that note. And thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing if you haven't already. If you'd like to do that, then that would be awesome. So I'm moving up a little bit at a time. Just past 2,500 subscribers, and I am ecstatic. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, everybody.